Hello, and welcome to the I-26 Connector Project Update meeting. We're glad you came out today. Please be sure you've signed in and picked up a handout. The goal of today's meeting is to update you on changes since the 2018 public meeting and for you to provide feedback on the project. Since you've last seen the project in 2018, your input, along with input from agencies and local officials, have been incorporated into the project. The northern section of the I-26 connector, sections B and D, were awarded to a design-build team in May 2024. The design-build team has looked for ways to lower cost, limit impacts, and shorten the construction time when possible. 4 key changes have occurred since the 2018 public meeting in the following areas: Hillcrest Apartments, Hill Street Community, I-26 over French Broad River, I-26 Patton Avenue interchange. At Hillcrest Apartments, a multi-use path has been added connecting Patton Avenue with the apartment community. The bridge across I-240 connecting to the Hill Street community has been shifted to line up with the Hillcrest entrance and incorporated a multi-use path. A multi-use path has also been incorporated into the bridge. The previous design resulted in 9 relocatees along Hill Street. The current design makes I-240 take up less space, which means 9 relocations are no longer needed. Where I-26 crosses the French Broad River, the earlier design included ramps and bridges that were removed in the newer, more compact design. This change reduced the need to relocate 2 homes and 1 business and required less land. In previous designs, Patton Avenue crossed over I-26 on a bridge, a concept that was preferred by a portion of the community. However, this approach would have required the relocation of multiple existing utilities along Patton Avenue that would have resulted in significant cost and an extended construction timeline. As part of the design-build process, the selected team's proposal included the concept of bridging I-26 over Patton Avenue. This concept was chosen because it was the most economical and feasible to construct. In evaluating the alternative concept, the team discovered that redesigning Patton Avenue to run under I-26 would minimize the impact of utility relocations that increased the overall construction duration by approximately 15 months. This type of design refinement is a common part of the design-build process. Importantly, the revised design does not introduce any additional impacts and still meets the purpose and need of the project. As a result, the revision complies with all National Environmental Policy Act guidelines. Without this change, the project would not have advanced through the optimization and refinement phase and could have faced indefinite delays. The design presented here today is the result of the department's and design-build team's efforts to achieve those goals. You will also see a display of project area renderings to provide different perspectives of what the refined I-26 connector will look like. Please visit each station to learn more about the project and to ask questions. Please take the opportunity to fill out the comment sheet at the end of the handout. You can turn it in today or mail it in by May 25th. We thank you for your time today.